Alright guys, it's time for another unboxing video, so let's get right down to the point. There we go. Get this out. It's wrapped in this kind of wrapping paper. Okay, here we got volumes 2 and 3 of Revoutionary Girl Utena. Volume 2 is to plant and volume 3 is to sprout. Now volume 2 right here is probably the second rarest. And here is volume 3. Pretty good series. Too bad that the manga is now out of print, but the anime is going to come back on DVD in about a month or so. So I could definitely check it out. So anyways, thank you for this rather quick unboxing video. There's not going to be another unboxing video for a while, so just bear with me guys. Alright, take care and I'll see you guys later.